Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to cut an audio clip only in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've added a video clip with audio to my timeline, and I want to cut up the audio clip without disrupting the video clip. Start by selecting the Cut tool. You can also press the C key on your keyboard. As you may already be aware, if you were to cut the clip with this, both the video and the audio will be sliced as they are both linked together. To cut only the audio by itself, hold the Alt key on your keyboard, Option key on your Mac, and click anywhere along your audio clip to make the cut. Then choose the Selection tool, or V key on your keyboard, to select a portion of your audio to delete. Something to note, this feature also works in reverse with your video clips. Lastly, if you'd rather cut every layered video and audio clip in the same place at the same time, simply hold Shift instead, then cut anywhere on your timeline. You can then left click and drag through all of your clips and delete all layers at once. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.